Good day. So I wanted to give you an overview of what you would have to do for the site migration to your own web hosting. So I would recommend this company. Of course, if you know your own, you could choose your own, but I would recommend this company. So first thing you would do is go over to hostinger.com. So I'll send you the link. You click on WordPress and then you select the package. I would recommend this one, Business Web WordPress. And so you go to add to cart. And then if you want, you could choose this one. But then you save, they give you a special or whatever. So when you do this one, then you would pay $4 times this 12 months. So I recommend you pay this. So once you set up your account, so you set up your username and stuff like that. You see, this is the total. So I would recommend that you just pay for 12 months of hosting. Yeah. So when you pay, then I will send you an email to send your newly created username and password. So then my IT guy can do the migration. So that's that step, and then you're good to go. So just to recap, so choose your plan. So I would recommend the 12 months because you save a lot. If you want to do more months, up to you, but we recommend that. So that would cover a whole year of hosting. So you see how much money you save. So the total is 47. And then you choose which credit card or whatever you're going to use. So if you're using credit card, then you fill in the information and then you pay and then you're good to go. Then I'm going to send you the link. And also you would have to send something to the IT guy. So I'll explain that in the text using PayPal. But this part, you just choose your package and you're good to go.